My name is Faran Khederoo, and I'm a research and development engineer in our controls division here at Sonny's. My dad works here. He's been working here for about 18 years now. He was telling us about his job. He's like, "Oh, you work at a car wash? Big deal." But he brought me here, and it is a big deal if you come in here and you see the amount of work and the amount of things they get done here. It's amazing. So my degree is actually in computer science, computer engineering. Originally, I started out in tech support right after college, and I was there for about 3 years. The team was small. They had 3-4 developers that was here when company was acquired by Paul, and that's who did the work. So I said, okay, I'll start wherever I need to. I think personally it helped me grow, it helped me understand how car washes worked. I've learned a lot talking to people and listening to them and kind of understand how their business works and how the whole system works. I think tech support, having that 3 years, starting at the bottom and working my way up, I was able to learn a lot. It's helped me improve my career path here at Sonny's of being able to understand different aspects of what car washing is. It's not just about technology. There's a lot more that goes on, a lot with the equipment, the chemistry, the marketing, everything, and being able to speak to customers one-on-one has given me that ability to learn more about the industry. We listen to our customer feedback. Customer feedback's important. Customer has an idea, we'll go ahead and we'll incorporate it into our development cycle. So customers is always getting the latest and greatest that we have to offer. I'd say my favorite thing about Sonny's is the people. Collaboration. In the controls group, I work with really smart people. All of them are approachable. All of them will share knowledge with you, and all work together to move forward as a team, as a company. Paul is one of my favorite speakers of all time. He motivates you for our shows and our quarterly meetings. He'll be in there and he'll speak about where the company's going and what he wants to do. And you don't even care where you're going as long as Paul's leading the ship. You're on there with him. So our bars are up and we're moving forward. It's always been great, and always exceeding. It's fun to be a part of a company that wins.